Neuralink stunned the internet over 18 months ago when it posted a video of Pager the monkey playing the video game Pong with his mind. Elon Musk revealed during Neuralink's show and tell Fall 2022 event that the brain machine startup had expanded its team of implanted test monkeys. Musk also mentioned that some of its monkeys' Neuralink implants had been upgraded. Pager, for example, has had a brain implant for some time now with no ill effects, according to reports. So what's next for Neuralink and its human trials? Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we'll take a look at the latest news on Neuralink and further updates. Elon Musk stated at Neuralink's recent Show and Tell Fall 2022 event that the brain machine startup is doing everything possible to ensure that its animal testing operations are as humane as possible. Neuralink recently uploaded a video that shows some of its initiatives that have ensured that the company's animals are healthy, happy, and well treated. Elon Musk mentioned during his opening remarks that Neuralink has already submitted paperwork to the US Food and Drug Administration. Other Neuralink executives who took the stage later echoed these efforts. Musk also stated that the first human trials for Neuralink's brain implant device are scheduled to begin within the next 6 months. Musk explained on Twitter that Neuralink is now confident that its brain implant device is ready for humans, and that the timing is simply a function of the startup going through the FDA's processes. "We are now confident that the Neuralink device is ready for humans," Musk wrote on Twitter. The timing is a function of working through the FDA approval process. During its presentation, Neuralink emphasized how hard it has worked to optimize its operations. Using a dummy brought to the event, the company demonstrated how its brain implant is placed on the brain. Musk also mentioned that the Neuralink device would be upgradable during his remarks. Upgradability is critical because our first production device will be similar to an iPhone 1. And I'm sure you don't want an iPhone 1 stuck in your head if the iPhone 14 is available, Musk said. The Show and Tell event featured a number of impressive company updates. Comet, Mars, Sake, Pager, Ranger, and Hotshot were a group of monkeys who were actively involved in various testing activities. Sake, in particular, is being trained to type with a cursor. Speaking of Sake, Musk stated that the monkey enjoys what he's doing. It's critical to demonstrate that Sake enjoys performing the demo. He's not tied to the chair or anything. The monkeys actually enjoy performing the demonstrations. It's also a fun game because they get banana smoothies. I guess what I'm trying to say is that we care about animal welfare here, and I'm sure our monkeys are content, Musk said. These sentiments were echoed in a new video posted by Neuralink. The video was shot in Neuralink's animal care facilities and included monkeys, pigs, and sheep from the company. This year, the startup has been busy with projects aimed at ensuring that its research and data collection are enjoyable for its animals. They can now choose when to participate by bringing automated data centers to their homes. "Our program's top priority is agency," Neuralink stated. The startup demonstrated this by showing how the team was able to come up with a way for its monkey team's implants to be charged comfortably, by simply walking up to a branch that had a charging coil embedded in it. The same is true for its sheep and pigs, which are handled with care to ensure their happiness. Elon Musk is confident that Neuralink will be able to restore vision in blind people and full body functionality in people with spinal cord injuries. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic. One of the breakthroughs was the ability to restore vision even if the person was born blind. Also, restoring full body functionality to someone who has had their spinal cord severed. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta, was a recent guest on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, where he discussed, among other things, neural technology. During his conversation, Zuckerberg stated that Neuralink would most likely not be popular in the next 10 to 15 years because normal people would not want non-mature technology implanted in their brains. As part of the company's push into the metaverse, Zuckerberg admitted that Meta is researching neural interface technology. However, he also stated that the tech company is focusing on innovations that can receive signals from the brain but do not send any information back to it. Later, the Meta CEO noted that companies such as Elon Musk Neuralink, which is developing a device that can be implanted into people's skulls, are pushing neural technology super far away. The Neuralink implant is intended to record and stimulate brain activity, which Musk claims could aid in the treatment of conditions such as obesity. Musk's Neuralink ideas, according to Zuckerberg, could come to fruition, but the technology won't be ready for a few decades. The CEO also joked that until the technology matures, normal people would probably not want a Neuralink implant. Normal people, I believe, will not want to have something installed in their brain for fun in the next 10 or 15 years. You want the mature version of that, not the one where it's going to get a lot better next year. And you have to upgrade your brain implant every year, Zuckerberg explained. In terms of Meta, Zuckerberg stated that the company is now focusing on the use of wearable devices that can detect brain signals. People could communicate brain signals using these devices by making small movements, such as a wrist flick. The Meta CEO provided an example of how such technology could be used. In the future, you'll be able to have this experience where you're sitting in a meeting and your wife texts you, and it pops up in the corner of your glasses. And you want to respond, but you don't want to pull out your phone because that's kinda rude, Zuckerberg explained. A person could twitch your wrist a little bit, like some super discreet motion that no one even knows you're doing, and you send a message, by using neural interface technology. Elon Musk established Neuralink to address the question, what do we do if there is a superintelligence that is much smarter than humans? How can we, as a species, reduce the risk or, in the best case scenario, just go along for the ride? He went on to say that even if that didn't work, he was confident that Neuralink could solve many brain injuries. Even if we don't solve the problem, we're confident at this point that we will solve many brain injury, spine injury problems along the way, Elon Musk said. You want to be able to read the brain signals. You need to be able to write signals. You want to be able to do that for the entire brain and then extend that to communicating with the rest of your nervous system if your spinal cord or neck is severed. Elon Musk also expressed confidence that Neuralink could restore vision even if the person had never seen before and was born blind. He explained that this would be one of the first applications for humans that Neuralink is aiming for. The first two applications we're going to aim for in humans are restoring vision, and I think this is significant in that we believe we can restore vision even if someone has never had vision ever, like they were born blind. The visual cortex is still present. We're confident they can see even if they've never seen before. The other application, he says, is in the motor cortex and would allow someone who has almost no ability to use their muscles to do so. Allow them to use their phone faster than someone with working hands. Even better would be to connect the 2 points. Assume someone has a broken neck and the signals from the motor cortex, connecting those signals to Neuralink devices in the spinal cord. Elon Musk stated that he believes there are no physical constraints to enabling full body functionality. As miraculous as it may sound, we believe it is possible to restore full body functionality to someone who has had their spinal cord severed. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Before that, we'd like to know what are your thoughts about the future of Neuralink. Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you